And this is Candy. Hello, Candy. Want to bring her over on the sofa? Okay, put her on the sofa. Yes. Yes.
Just likes to sit next to you.
This is Sweet Candy.
Just likes to sit with you on the sofa. Give little tiny kisses. Yep. So if you want a little buddy to watch TV with, Candy's your girl. She's very sweet.
Yes. Hi, sweetie. Hi, honey. You're a good girl. Yes, you are.
She's
You're
smiling.
a good girl.
She's smiling. You're a smiling girl.
Yeah.
Always happy. Just
She
wants
is
a hug.
always happy. Yes. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes, you are.
Loves to be held.
Yep. Yes. Yeah. Yes.